Yo, say man, what's good with YouTube? So welcome back to my channel, Raymond HTX, on all social medias, basically YouTube, Instagram. I got a little TikTok, but ain't nothing too crazy. So hey man, y'all remember, stay hydrated. Got that water. So look man, I'm gonna just be doing a backing video just to stay consistent on the channel. Also, it's not a how-to video, it's just gonna be a backing video to show y'all how we back. This trailer is sort of like a step deck, and I'm gonna get off and show y'all right now. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise or a lot of you know, trucks being on that stop the sound, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm hauling. Just got into the oil field, so I'm hauling frac sand for Halliburton. Yeah, it's pretty cool so far. I'm gonna be doing a day in a life video here pretty soon. I'm gonna get out and show y'all what this looks like. So this is the trailer right here that we haul. I got the lights off, that's why the lights ain't on right now. This is the Halliburton trailer. So when I show you my day in life video or how to tips and tricks, these are the locks and stuff that hold the sandbox to the trailer. And yeah man, this is it. And they got two hatches on top, and this is how you open the hatches. Like I said, I'm gonna be showing y'all in a later video excuse me, how I do everything when it comes to loading, unloading, stage pad, all that good stuff. I'm gonna be showing y'all that, you know what I'm saying, when needs sooner videos to come up. All right y'all, so what I'm about to do, I'm here parked at this spot. Very long story short, I'm gonna just come out, go around, and I'm obviously just park back in the same spot, or if anything, I'll probably move to a different spot. But this just, like I said, it's a backing video. You can leave your seatbelt on, you can leave your seatbelt off. I mean, ain't nothing really gonna pop off in the parking lot, but you know what I'm saying, big drone come flying out the sky type, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but say man, so we're gonna go ahead and take off, and I'm basically gonna be showing y'all, man, this backup joint. So this also for the new people that are starting to come out here, start trucking, this goes to show y'all, man, it may take one time, it may take 5 times to back up. Don't ever feel like you can't back up, or don't ever feel like you can't learn or you're not going to learn. Everything is a learning process, just like everything else. So yeah man, just take your time and focus on the technique on backing, and once y'all get it down pat, y'all gonna be able to do it like it's nothing. You know what I'm saying? Just like y'all tying y'all shoes, and every time y'all, you know, make a right, left turn, make sure y'all watching y'all trailer at all times. I know it's little tedious basic things, but it'll save you time and a whole lot of trouble when you come out here in the field and actually start trucking. The reason why I say, man, to do all that, because I had a dude come out here, start with me in the oil field, and he got into 2 accidents they had to report. One was him making a right turn, and his trailer ended up in the ditch, and they had to report that one incident as an accident. So let's say if I'm turning here and your tires all up in the mud, you know what I'm saying, it's just what you don't what a lot of people don't understand is what I'm explaining in my next video is hauling these sandboxes. They're real top heavy, and they're real heavy in general, right? The load I've gotten has been no less than 36,000 pounds, you know. So let's say if you back up into some mud or in a ditch, it's gonna be hard to get you out. Not only that, but you got to pay the wrecker, and it's just time consuming, so it takes away from your money. So just keep that in mind when, you know, if you decide to come out here. Like I said, I'm gonna describe that all in another video, but yeah, I just want to stay consistent, so that's why I'm putting up this video, and just to let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, we hauling for the oil field now with these sandboxes. So I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Y'all remember, smash that like, comment button, man, I greatly appreciate it. Y'all go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well, Raymond HTX on everything. I got a little TikTok going on, but ain't nothing too crazy. It's not really too much about trucking. It's just a personal deal. You know, I just decided to hop on there, post when I want to post. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, so there goes to say that about my the dude that came out here trucking with me. That one incident, like I said, he fell in a ditch. The second incident, he actually hit another trailer. So it was another trailer, just like, see, that's the sandbox I'm hauling like right now. So he hit another trailer. It was just like that, and he ran into it. So when y'all come out here, man, like I said, watch y'all's mirrors. Make sure y'all's locks are locked on the box And like I said, I'm gonna be showing y'all all of that in one of my next videos coming up. It's gonna be a tips and tricks when you coming out here in the oil field, you know what I mean? And also the other one is gonna be like a day in my life to show y'all what it is out here, and you know, stuff like that. So yeah, man, we get to it, baby. We get into it. So when you back, man, take off that seatbelt, please. Take it off, because it's all up in the way. You don't need your seatbelt when you're backing. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no drone finna come out the sky and pop you. So you're gonna be good. I just put it on for the sake of having it on, because you know, people on YouTube and everybody else in the world like, oh, he ain't got a seatbelt. Say, man, worry about yourself, baby. Bye. Worry about yourself, man. So we're gonna be back in this spot right here, or this one, it don't matter. Let's pick this one right here, because that's where we're at. So let's go ahead and fade that spot. Nothing too crazy. I go up 2 or 3 trucks, bust that right. This ain't a how-to video, but hey, if y'all want to learn, go watch my other videos, and we're gonna go ahead and bust that left right here, and bust that right, bust that left, bam, right here. Once we hit like what, 12 o'clock, boom, bang, roll down the window, put that joint in reverse, you feel me? Start jackknifing that bad boy. Yes, sir. All right, boom, we in the game. Go ahead and follow it. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Boom, you want to follow it. If a truck was there, it'd be different, but I mean, there ain't no truck there, so we do it how we want to do it, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Bye. Nothing too crazy. You feel me? If there was a truck right here, I can still do it, so don't try to play me, y'all. We can still get in there. We can still get in there, baby. We can still get in there. So right here, we a little crooked, so just pull up one time. Go ahead, baby. All right, appreciate you for sure. So boom, come right here, straighten out, bam, done deal. You feel me? I'm in a little rush because homeboy right here, he look like he a super trucker. I don't know if he is or he ain't, but you know what I'm saying? Straight like that. A little rushed in, but it's all good, man. We good in the field, man. I'm not no backup pro or a backup expert, but it's like we in the game, coach. You feel me? Hey, we in the game, coach. Yes, sir, ski. Boom. Put that badge, you know what I'm saying? Look, we straight up. Oh, that boy nasty. So, yeah, man. Y'all remember to stay hydrated, man. Drink that water. Eat y'all fruit. Say, man, when you out here growing up, gotta pay bills, gotta stay consistent, you gotta go where the money's at. You know, you gotta do good for you, best for you. So coming out here to Oilfield, being in the middle of nowhere sometimes, is a must for me. So there's a chance you can make some good money. There's a chance you might not. So out here, the money you make really depends on the wait time at the stages, the wait time at the wells, different things like that. So like I said, all of this is going to be explained in one of my next videos. So if y'all interested in the oil field work, you know what I'm saying, stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe, you know what I'm saying, like the video, you know what I'm saying, comment. I'm gonna go ahead and you know, enter all that stuff in these videos coming up soon. And like I said, I wanted to make this video just to stay consistent on the channel, and you know what I'm saying, just to stay relevant, you feel me, you know, just to stay in that algorithm, because I've been posting like, what, maybe once a week or something like that. But as long as we stay consistent, that's all I really hope for. And also, there was a dude saying that my videos helped him out backing. So hey man, shout out to you, bro. I appreciate it for watching my videos. And if I help anybody with one of my backing videos, at least if it's one person, I did my job. So really shout out to that dude, because you know, him letting me know that it's pretty live. I also had a couple people follow me on Instagram. Shout out to y'all, whatnot. But yeah, so this video is over. I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. I said what I had to say. Like I said, stay tuned for these videos about to come up. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, baby, hey, we trucking, man. Hey, y'all remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate every single person that comes to my channel. We live, baby. Let's go.
Love it. Talk about that business, ain't about business, change the subject. Put off in that ghost like MC Hammer, they can't touch this. I ain't with that on lane, they cannot rush her. They don't know about spawn. Sometimes I feel